Come on. It's cold. Toad leather.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Yo, what up? It's your boy John 315, man, back again. Another sneaker review video for y'all. Today we got those Jordan 1 High Dark Marina Blues, or Marina Blues. And it's kind of like a spin on the Royals. You know what I'm saying? The 2017 Royals, or the OG Royals. That bread style colorway with the Royal. This is like a spin on that to some degree. It's kind of like those Shadow 2.0s or those reverse bread style shoes. This is that same colorway blocking type of thing, but instead we get that blue colorway this time, and it's pretty dope. I think these are coming out next year. So, you know, I got these ones from our friends over at Yes Yeezy. They asked me if I wanted to review a shoe, and I said, yeah, go ahead and send me these. So they sent these over, and I'm glad they sent them over because I got a chance to see them in person, and this is kind of why I do this. I get a chance to kind of show you what's coming out, show you what the quality's like, give you guys an idea. You know what I'm saying? That's the main thing, give you guys an idea. Just to let you guys know, this is an educational video. This is a UA shoe. It is not the retail. This is just an early look, something I got, you know, as a gift from somebody online. They sent them over. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want to get the retail, I think they come out next year. I'm almost positive they come out in like February or something like that. But prices are on the screen if you want to get it early from StockX and Go. Pretty sure retail is going to be like 170 or 190 or something like that for these. And they're going to go quick because this is a blue shoe. You know, it's got a dope colorway blocking. It's going to go fast. But everything's out there for you guys to look at if you want to. So this one is really, really dope. I like this one because it's very stealthy. They look a lot like the Cobalt Dunks, except that blue's a little different. This is more of like a royal blue kind of thing, like a dark or aged royal type of blue. But it looks very, very nice. So let's just jump right into the shoe, y'all. Let's get it popping. So kind of Chicago style colorway blocking, but instead of the white hits, you got the black. And, you know, around the ankle collar is really the only thing that kind of stays consistent, is that black around the ankle collar. Everything else is pretty much Chicago colorway style. The shoe, I guess you could call it like a dark Chicago. I don't know what people would call it, but anyway, very, very nice. I do like this one. The black leather on the shoe is very similar to the Shadows that came out earlier this year, and I wasn't really impressed with that leather. I didn't really like it, but this one seems a little bit more grainy. I think that this has a little bit more personality to it in terms of, you know, the grain of the leather, whereas the Shadow 2.0s that came out, it was just very flat and matted and just not interesting to me. Although I did like the colorway blocking, I just didn't like the black leather choice. And those ones were suede in black leather, and this one is actually all leather. This shoe is all leather. Anyway, very, very dope. So black toe box, mudguard is blue, you know, Chicago style, blue Nike swoosh, black mid panel, black around the ankle collar. We got a black Jordan wing symbol right there, very nice. Hourglass shaping in the back, stitching looks very good. You can kind of see that leather wrinkling up right there. Looks very, very nice. You can see that leather wrinkling up right there, so you know that's a good quality leather. Medial side of the shoe looks just like the lateral side of the shoe. Toe box height looks pretty good, and it's a little high to me, but it's still decent. It's got some nice curvature to it, so not bad. Midsole of the shoe is white, and the outsole is dark marina blue or dark royal or whatever you want to call it. So very dope. Tongue of the shoe, you got black nylon up into the tag, which looks very good. Standard shoe tree, got some laces in here, the blue joints, and you have a white insole with the Nike Air right there. So I'm actually very impressed with the shoe. I like the shoe a lot. Very, very dope. They do come with extra sets of laces. You get white and black, so not bad there. It's definitely a dope shoe. It's a dope shoe, you know what I'm saying? Good leather on here. So if I had to rate the shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give this shoe a solid 9. I really like the colorway. Very dope. It's very subtle, nice and stealthy, so I do like that. Construction and materials used, these materials are pretty good. I'll also give it a 9. I don't see anything bad about the shoe construction wise, and the leather is actually decent quality. So this is a very nice shoe. But that's my rating. You know what I'm saying? If you guys want to go and check out Yes Yeezy, go ahead. You guys do what you want to do with your own money. You know what I'm saying? I would never tell you what to do. So anyway, that's a review of the shoe. Let's jump into this on foot. Glad you guys came by. You guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed. And I'll see you in the next one. All right? Peace. Yo, I swear, every single time I've been doing reviews recently, it's been mad cold outside and raining. Cold, y'all. I'm real cold. Yo, what's good, y'all? What up, man? I'm in the car right now. I was gonna do a quick on foot outside, but it is 37 degrees. And I was like, yo, it's mad cold outside, bro. You might not want to do this. You might not want to do this. I chose to not do it yet. It's mad cold. It's really brisk outside, you know what I'm saying? But I'm in the car. I do have the dark Marina blue joints right here. They came from Yes Yeezy. Y'all can go check them out on Instagram. Dang, I got the steering wheel on the way. Got the steering wheel on the way. I'm gonna have to hold this joint. All right, dang. Look at that. All right, yeah, there we go. I had to adjust the camera real quick. The steering wheel's all in the way. Listen, got the dark Marina blues right here on deck from Yes Yeezy. These are dope. I like this one a lot. It really reminds me of the Royal 2017s. Still similar to that Shadow 2.0. We got a little grain right there. It looks really nice. You know what I'm saying? It looks cool. It's good. No flaws that I could see. I blacklight the shoe. I didn't see anything. I never see anything. But I just wanted to bring this one to y'all. This is like the first batch, so I'm actually kind of curious to see what they will do in the coming months. I still don't know when the release date is, actually. I didn't look up the release date because I just don't care. So we're going to do that on foot real quick. Let's jump out here and do this on foot.
Alright, but I'll watch the video.
Did the on foot of these joints right here. Dark Marina blues, very nice, basically like a Royal 2.0. There's a bunch of different Royal colorways out there, but this kind of got like that aged Royal look to it. Like, so check it out. Listen, I was gonna do something medical. I'm kind of gonna do something medical, not really, but I am. So I just restarted school again. Like, I'm advancing my education, trying to get to the graduate level. But they told us to pick a topic for our first assignment. It had to be a topic in healthcare. Just, you know, this is what we're gonna be researching through the rest of the course. And I was like, I don't really know. There's so many different, you know what I mean, things that I could talk about. I thought about it and I was like, well, if I research anything, I want to make sure it's something that I'm gonna have a lot of information on. You never want to write a paper with sources that are limited. Anyway, the topic that I ended up choosing was non-transmissible diseases. And what I mean by that is non-communicable diseases. And those are diseases that you can acquire that aren't transmitted from person to person. Diseases like diabetes, cardiovascular disease, respiratory disease, cancer, depression, Alzheimer's, all of these different diseases that people get that they end up acquiring not from a person, but they end up acquiring it over their lifetime. I'm gonna discuss that. And that's kind of going to be the premise of a lot of my videos moving forward. I'm going to be sharing my research with you guys, sharing my journey with you guys as I research all of these topics, these different disease processes, and my reviews. So the reviews is probably going to slow up just a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit, but it's going to be informational. And I'm going to share this stuff with you guys so we can all learn together, all right? So stay up. This journey was dope. Yes, Yeezy. Be on the lookout. More healthcare stuff coming to you at the end of the videos. Another giveaway at 2,000 subscribers. I'll see you in a minute.